Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm up with another stitch video and we are going to learn the tulip stitch today. Now as you can see, it is not quite lacy, not a solid stitch as well, perfect for the summers. You can make a summer scarf or a cardigan or even a blanket with it. It is a reversible stitch. As you can see, it looks exactly the same on both the sides. Now I'm using 100% cotton yarn and a 4mm hook. I'll be linking everything that I'm using in the description box below. Now without wasting any further time, let's go right into the video. Now we're going to start with making a chain in the multiples of 4. I'm going to make a chain of 16 here as this is just a sample swatch. So if you don't know how to make these basic stitches like a slip stitch or chains or a single or a double crochet or any of the basic stitches, I have separate detailed videos for the same and I'll be linking it in the description box below for you guys. So once we make a chain of 16, we are now going to skip 2 chains, and in the third chain we're going to make a double crochet. We'll yarn over, insert a hook in the third chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and 2 loops. We are again going to make another double crochet in the same chain, and we'll chain 2 now, and we're going to make a single crochet in the next chain. Here we make a single crochet. Now again we are going to skip 2 chains, 1 and 2, and in the third chain we are going to make 2 double crochets. This is our first double crochet, and we'll make another double crochet in the same chain. We're going to chain 2, and in the next stitch we're going to make 1 single crochet. Now we're going to skip 2 chains again, and in the third chain we are again going to make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. We're going to chain 2 now and 1 double crochet in the next chain. Moving on to our last stitch, we're going to skip 2 chains, and in the third chain we're going to make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. We're going to chain 2 now, and you'll be left with only 1 chain. In that we're going to make 1 single crochet. This ends our row 1. This is how your row 1 should look like. Moving on to our row 2, we're going to chain 2 and turn around our work. Now in that first gap, in the first chain 2 space, we are going to make a double crochet and another double crochet in the same space. Now we're going to chain 2 and we're going to make 1 single crochet in that same space. Now you see in the next chain 2 space, we're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Now as you can see that this stitch works up really quickly, as we are not making stitches in any of the stitches, but we are making stitches in the chain 2 space. So when you're working in spaces, it is always quicker. Chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. And in the last space, chain 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 1 single crochet in the same chain 2 space. This is how our row 2 should look like. Again we're going to chain 2, turn around our work, and again we are going to work in the chain 2 spaces. Two double crochets, chain 2 and 1 single crochet in the same chain 2 space. Again we are going to work in the next chain 2 space. It is such a beginner friendly stitch, and making a scarf will just take you a couple of days, like a day or two, as it's so quick. One and 2, chain 2 and 1 single crochet in the same chain 2 space. Now this is how our row 3 should look like. Now I'm going to make some more rows, and I'll see you once my swatch is complete. So I'm done with the swatch of our tulip stitch, and this is how it should look like. And you can see that it has, what I like about the stitch is that it has texture even on the sides. It looks so pretty. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!